Hey, what's up, guys? Today, we're diving into something a little different, but super cool if you're in the world of science, research, or just love cutting-edge imaging tech. This is the AmScope IN480TB-FL. Yeah, that's a mouthful, but what you're looking at is a professional-grade inverted fluorescence trinocular microscope. Say that 5 times fast. Now, before we geek out over the details, if you're already sold and want to grab this beast at a limited-time discounted price, check the link in the description below. This thing is built like a tank, high-quality metal frame, ergonomic design, and it feels like it's meant to sit on a pro's lab bench. Everything from the coarse and fine focusing knobs to the mechanical stage is engineered for precision. Smooth movement, no wobble. This is microscope luxury. You're getting a 40x to 1200x magnification range, which is wild. Combine that with WH10x plan and WH20x super wide field eyepieces, and you get a super sharp, wide field of view. And yes, it supports bright field, phase contrast, and fluorescence microscopy. So whether you're imaging live cell cultures or studying materials like polymers or microstructures, this thing is ready. Under the hood, or I guess under the stage, you got a 30W halogen lamp paired with a 0.3/0.5 NA Kohler condenser. Translation? Bright, even glare-free illumination. Especially important when you're working with fluorescent dyes. It's trinocular, which means you've got a dedicated port to hook up a camera. Whether you're documenting your research or creating teaching content, that's a game changer. This microscope isn't just for biologists. If you're in cancer research, virology, drug testing, or industrial materials analysis, this tool's got your back. Now let's keep it real. This isn't a budget microscope. It's premium, so the price reflects that. And like all high-end lab gear, it does need occasional calibration and care. But honestly, if you're serious about research-grade imaging, the AmScope IN480TB-FL delivers. It's precise, it's powerful, and it's built to handle whatever you throw under it. Again, if you want to snag this at a limited discount, that link is waiting for you in the description. Give it a look, where we break down the gear that powers the future of tech and science. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Catch you in the next one.